Good morning, guys. It's Arne here again, and I'm very happy to report back that after my Tyne folding canoe repair, I found that this material which I used was absolutely fantastic. It cured out dry, you can touch it, it won't mark, and actually it covered all sorts of materials from PVC to fabric to tar or bitumen. I don't know what they used it before to repair it, but as soon as you would touch it, it would leave a black mark on you, which is really hard to get off. You could only use petrol to wash yourself off. So now it came back as it was, very nice and black. Let's see. So this is completely covered with this new sealant, and it is 100% better. All these cracks which they started to bolster and open up when I applied the material, they actually receded back and got sealed up. So you can see they are completely sealed. Of course there are a few larger cracks which they didn't quite go that well, but I think I'm gonna apply another layer of this material. So you can see it was peeling off, and actually all these original bits are actually flaking, and this is where it is actually even worse. So I'm gonna probably rub that off, or just put another layer on it. So the material I've used is this roofing repair Isoflex Professional. You can pick this up in B&Q. For us guys in the UK, I thought I make a video about the available materials because it's completely different than in the US. So that's one thing you can use, and it does say that it's a liquid rubber, and it actually is. I was doubting that because it did smell like tar or bitumen. And for the repairs of these bits which they are coming away, you could use this glue which can be picked up from Eurocar parts, and this is also black. You can push it under the pieces which they are coming off, like that one. So I'm gonna have to do another repair on that piece, which I've done a few places. As I said, the hull is made of different materials in my case, so there is like a PVC repair corner here, and that looked and behaved completely differently than the actual fabric bit, but this Isoflex covers it all very well, so there's no difference in that respect. And this is where I used that automotive glue to put this patch back, and yeah, it actually glued back all right. I had to push some glue underneath and push like a patch of rags and everything on top of it, and get a strap, tighten it up. That's how it was pushed back in place, and it all actually glued up. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the results, and it looks like I'm getting back my folding canoe. That's alright.